Samsung's new DeX Pad Desktop is up for pre-order on Amazon for $99.99, and will be officially available at that price point on April 30th. The DeX Pad Desktop will give you a desktop experience by turning your Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S9 Plus into a touchpad and keyboard for an external display, along with providing a selection of ports to allow users to hook up accessories like mice, keyboards, gamepads, printers, and the like. This new member of the DeX accessory line has the added benefit of a built-in fan, and a USB Type-C charging port, which means that it can charge your phone during use and keep it cool, allowing you to potentially tackle your entire workday from your Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S9 Plus, if your workload can be conquered on Android. The DeX Pad Desktop boasts a sleek design that sees your phone laying on top, plugged into a USB Type-C port and cradled by a specially crafted padding that's made to hold up a compatible device. The fan sits underneath, and is aimed right at where most of the phone's heat should focus. The two sides of the DeX Pad Desktop are bare, as is the front. The back of the device, meanwhile, has two full-size USB-A ports, along with an HDMI port. This is also where the USB Type-C port for the DeX Pad Desktop is located, and plugging a proper Samsung charger into it will allow you to fast charge your phone while it serves as a computer. This accessory's place in the DeX lineup is as a definitive replacement for the first-generation DeX dock that shipped with the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S9. While it provides a premium and feature-packed experience, it is, for now, only compatible with the absolute latest Samsung phones. The original DeX dock is compatible with the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus, though it's not quite as full-featured as this one. A laptop dock is a logical next step, but for the time being, one has not been announced, so community efforts and universal solutions will have to fill in that particular gap.